So hey guys, and welcome back to Born Traveller. Right, today I'm going to do a review of the Decathlon NW100 Nordic Walking shoes. So if you watch this channel previously, you'll know I was in India. Whilst I was traveling around India, I discovered there's a Decathlon store. Now Decathlon are a French brand. They basically operate in 57 countries in the world. So for backpackers like me, they're brilliant, because if you break something, damage something, you can probably replace it on the way. It's absolutely fantastic. Really recommend Decathlon, and they are budget prices for high quality outdoors and backpacking gear. Okay, and I was looking at these. These are the Nordic NW100 walking shoes, and I was really didn't know where to get them. They were about 250 rupees, about £25, which is not a lot of money, but when you're traveling, 2,500 rupees seems a lot in India. So I in the end, I just stuck with my old trainers and I didn't get any. Anyway, I'm back in the UK now and decided to go and have a look at them. And actually, believe it or not, they're only 15 quid in the UK, which works out about 22, 23 US dollars, which is unbelievable. They will be more expensive in the US because taxation, Trump's taxations on goods like this, any imports, unfortunately, the US is going to be more expensive. I think they're about $40. And I know Brazil probably going to be expensive, but for India they're about, I'd say, 2,500 if I remember right. When you compare that to brands like Merrill, you know, they're probably $100 plus, probably 50 in the sale if you're lucky, you know, between $50 and $100. So when you're talking about £15 or $22, we're starting to look at, you know, pretty good prices. So these shoes are basically like a cross between like a trainer and a walking shoe. They offer high grip bottoms, very lightweight like a trainer, and also like very breathable. I don't know how, but they are somehow kind of waterproof. They're not completely waterproof, but definitely water resistant. So I've worn them in the rain and my feet didn't really get wet. They look brand new, but I've worn them a few times. I've just been washing them, that's all. And yeah, really lightweight. The sizing, they range from EU 36, a 3 in the UK, or a 12, which is a 47 EU. I'm not really sure on US, sorry. I don't really know about US size. They weigh around 800 grams, which is pretty light. Not as quite as light as running trains. Running trains I've got from Reebok around 500 grams. Walking shoes normally are probably plus a kilo. I mean, some of the walking boots I've got are pretty heavy, so you can just feel all the weight in there over a kilo. So these are kind of a balance. They also have like quite a high like inner line sock, which just gives you that little bit more ankle support. I really do like these. They are quite unusual looking, and obviously there's no zip, so it's just a Velcro attachment, but actually they fit your feet really well. I've not tried them that much yet. Unfortunately, I'm not traveling at the moment, but the trips I've taken so far, I've walked about 5 or 6 miles in them, brand new, with some old socks, and they were fine. Yeah, it does say don't use new socks, so definitely want something to consider. So you might be asking, why did I choose these particular trainers or walking shoes? Well, when you're traveling, you only really want to carry 2 pairs of shoes. One kind of normal shoe, and then some flip-flops, or thongs as Australians call them. Basically, you're going to be wearing flip-flops most of the time anyway, if you're in places like Southeast Asia or Central America or South America or Africa. But sometimes when you go trekking, or it's wet, or for a number of reasons, or you're going out, you're going to want something a little bit more. And these are they do all of it, really. You could put these on and wear them just about get away with a night out. I mean, they're not perfect, but they're not outlandish, and they do come in black. There's only one colour. They're not outlandish, and I think they blend in quite well. I think you'd get away with going to a restaurant. You know, nobody really pay attention too much to your trainers. So mix that with a nice pair of like chinos or walking trousers that look more tapered. And that's what I've gone for, walking trousers that are tapered, so they're more like a modern design. So as you can see, it's got a nice grip as well, so, you know, good for walking. Most normal trainers, unfortunately, are not that grippy, and, you know, you're going to slip if you're going hiking. So again, and also looks to me like these would be quite easy to wash. I've not actually washed them. I mean, I have washed them, but not really like after a trekking or something where they got really muddy. They look quite easy to wash, and I think they're going to be quite durable. I mean, the one thing about Decathlon is they don't make cheap shit products. They do generally make good products. So I would say that these are going to be good quality and they're going to last a while. And I think these are a really good addition to my kit, and I think they are really going to help me kind of keep the weight down, and they're so versatile that I reckon they do look quite cool as well. So for me, they tick all the boxes. Around $20 to buy. They are high quality because they're from Decathlon, so they shouldn't crap out on you after a couple of months. They're very comfortable to wear. They've got the grippy sole, breathable, slightly waterproof, and they are essentially a walk-in trainer. And for backpacking, they are so good because they're so versatile. You can wear them a night out, and you can wear them trekking or on the beach. To be honest, you could get away with just wearing these pretty much all the time, but obviously it is nice to have a pair of flip-flops. But for me, you can just lob these in your backpack and you're good to go. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you've got any questions or anything down below. I'll leave a link in the descriptions where you can buy these. These are brilliant for backpacking and really recommended. Okay guys, that's all for now. I'll see you next time, and take care.